So not bad throttle at all, or acceleration, excuse me. I'm gonna put it into the sport mode and manually shift. And surprisingly, manually shifting in this car is really responsive. And I like that a lot. And acceleration, even just merging on the interstate and passing power, really good. And of course it's really windy out now, but wind noise is not bad. And most importantly, the car isn't getting blown all over the road. And like I said earlier, just going over the features, just a really solid car. Just something that's cheap for an everyday commute. We'll give it some throttle coming out of this corner. And the car isn't fast, but it does get up and go when you put your foot in it. And all in all, it drives really nicely. And one thing that's great about a base model Camry is you don't have all of the added extras that can break or stuff can go wrong. This is just really dependable, cheap transportation. You have an aux input. The stereo system is not the best, but if you want to go ahead and just be budget friendly, this is the way to do it. You still have your cruise controls, your power driver's seat, keyless entry. And you really can't just beat the overall bargain you get for the money. And we haven't even touched on gas mileage yet. But this is going to bring me to the end of my review of the 2011 Toyota Camry LE.